Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can create an alarm on your iPad. So the first step is to open the clock app. Then from here you should see these 4 tabs at the top: world clock, alarms, stopwatch, and timers. So the next step is to select alarms, and then on your screen you should see this plus icon. Tap on it, and then you can start creating your own alarm. So from here you can enter in the time. So use these numbers to enter in the time. Then you can also choose when it can repeat. So when you tap on this repeat option, you're given the days you can choose from. So let me choose every Sunday, Saturday, and Friday. Then you can go back to continue editing your alarm. So you can label this alarm. So give it a title. And then once you've given it a title, tap on done, and then continue editing. So you can change the alarm sound. So you can choose something from the tone store. You can download any purchased alarms that are part of your Apple account. You can pick a song that you have added onto your iPad, or you can use any of these default tones that come with your iPad. And so once you've chosen a tone, go back, and then you can choose to have snooze enabled or disabled. And then once you've finished customizing your alarm, tap on save to create the alarm. So now you have this alarm that's just been created. So mine will be ringing at 1:52 p.m. It's called Chaos, and it will repeat every Sunday, Friday, and Saturday. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.